I don't know actually Telugu, so I will be speaking in English. First, I would like to thank that Azad and his companions having such kind of peace talk meeting. So, like, why do we need first peace talk meeting? First, it's proving itself like something is going in our country. Like, we need peace for that. So we can see in Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and in also Bihar, Bastar, and everywhere, like what's happening in the what's happening with the tribal. Like our whole, like you can see what Amit Shah says. Amit Shah says by the end of 2026 we have to kill all the Maoists. We have to make them away from this country. So why this happening? Like whereas they are our indigenous people. Like they are the first people of the India and they are not able to live freely in this country. So why this happening? They have been considered as the Maoist people. They are saying that these are the terrorist people, but what are they doing? They are fight for their rights. Like they are living in such a forest where like there is no fundamentals. There is no fundamentals. You can say there is no education. There is no water facility. There is no like fundamental rights. They are fighting for themselves. And these all Adani, Ambani, and like all the corporate, they are repressing them. So in such a situation, we need to literally, like, they are killing the Maoists, they are considering like they are the terrorist people. So we need to talk to the government. And why do we need to talk the government and these all? Because our media is not considering them. This is the big issue. Like you see this situation and these all things like happening in the university, not outside the like media is not considered is a big issue. Like whereas this is the big issue happening in our country. So I am showing solidarity with them. We actually need to understand them what is happening with the tribal. So thanks.